Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to be showing us how to download the DHIS2 mobile app and how to use it to report our data. So first, you need to go to your Android mobile phone app menu and select Play Store. Once you select Play Store, search for DHIS2 Capture app. Once you select the DHIS2 Capture app, click on Install. After a successful installation, go back to the main menu and look for DHIS2 Capture app. Click on it. Once it's open, input the server URL, which is emis.dhis2 nigeria.org.ng/dhis. Then proceed to the username and password. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using a test login, which is EMIS _ test, and then our password, which is also for the test. Now after inputting everything, you need to cross-check if your input is correct before clicking on login. So now I click on login. Now it has logged me in and it's asking if I want to improve the app, and I'll say yes. So I'll wait for the system to process and log me in properly. So it has successfully logged me in, and I'm going to be starting with the junior secondary census form. Now this particular user is assigned to a junior secondary school census form, and junior secondary school census form has for both the census form, the staff, and also the classroom. Those are the category for you to capture your data, and each of them you're going to click on it to capture your data. Now I'm going to start with the junior secondary school census form. Now this particular census year 2024, we already have data imputed in it, but I'm just going to go over it so that we can understand. So I'm going to go to the plus sign and click on this plus sign. So now I've clicked on the plus sign and it has brought me to where I'm seeing the school that this particular user is assigned to, and I'm supposed to click on the report period to start my report. But first of all, when you log in, you need to be sure that the org unit is actually the school that particular login is supposed to be. Now, for instance, you have your school codes as your username. Now, when you log in and you are on this page, you need to check and ensure that the code that you log in with is actually that particular school code. So once it's not, you need to report to the right channel so that the change could be effected immediately. Now I'm going to select my report period, which is 2024, and I'm going to click on next. Now once I click on next, I have this school in sections. We have up to section J, up to section K. Now we are going to start with section A. Now for section A, I'm going to start with the school identification, which has school telephone number and that of the email address. Now for us to start reporting, you need to click on the cell for your input box and input your phone number or the head teacher's phone number. Now, the phone number is already imputed, but once you want to impute the data, you just need to click on the cell and impute the phone number. It's the same thing with that of the email address. So you click on the email address and also impute the school email address, and that is done for section A. And when you're done, you move to section B, which is the school characteristics. Now, under the school characteristics, we have in sections here up to 20. Now, we have subsection up to 20, and we are going to start with year of establishment. Now, let's say, for instance, this school was established in 2000. And how do we go about imputing that? Instead of writing, we already have a predefined years in the system that allows you to pick from. Now, how do? You click on the input box and then you click on the arrow, and you can either search through or just type in the year, which is 2000. And once I write 2000, I'm going to select the year, and I'll go to the next one, which is location. The location of the school, is it urban or rural? I'm going to select the location of the school. So in this case, the location of the school is urban, and I'm going to select urban. Also, the level of education offered, I'm going to select if the school is a junior secondary school only, or a junior secondary school and a senior secondary school. So this is a junior secondary school only. Then I'm going to proceed to the next one. So that's how you do for all the section up to 20, and you select the ownership,